Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Cash App unexpected error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to fix Cash App unexpected error, first what you need to do is head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Cash App, and once you tap on the Cash App, check to see if there is an option that is saying update instead of open. Due to the oldest version, your Cash App might be facing an unexpected error. So I recommend you to update it to the latest version. And once you do that, the next thing that you want to do is head over to your settings app, and once you do that, scroll down and then tap on option that says general. Now simply scroll down and tap on option that says iPhone storage, and once you do that, here, depending upon how much apps you have, it will take that much time to load, and once it loads, simply scroll down and find the Cash App. Let me just assume this Instagram is the Cash App, right? Now on tapping the Cash App, you will be provided with two options, that is your Offload App and Delete App. Now simply tap on Offload App and then tap on Offload App once again to begin the process, and what this does, it fixes any bugs and clears any caches that might be causing your Cash App to have unexpected error, right? And once you do that, or once the process is complete, instead of this Offload App, you'll be getting an option that says reinstall app, right? Simply tap on reinstall app, and then once that process is complete, all you gotta do now is restart your phone and then try again, and once you do that, your problem should be fixed. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching, bye bye.